at the Biggs Museum of American Art. Today we are located on our second floor in what is called our Folk Gallery. In this gallery, as you can see behind me, there are paintings and furniture pieces. These are all created by what are called folk artists. And folk artists are artists who are not academically trained. So this may be something like your neighbor next door who's really good at drawing, or someone you know who works with wood and is able to carve animals out of it. It's that type of person, a person where their job is not making art. They're considered a folk artist. Now, behind me, we have portraits. We have two different portraits, one of our mother and her two daughters, and one of a gentleman over here. Now, what's different about these portraits than other portraits in our galleries is that they look very flat. They look almost like a drawing. They're not trying to be 3D. They're not trying to look like a photograph, but they're trying to show through symbols such as the lace, or you can see that she has a piece of music, or they're wearing or holding bouquets. They're trying to show symbols of who these people were. Now, because of that, many of the kids who come to the Biggs Museum find these portraits kind of scary. And so that's what's inspiring our Biggs Kids project for October. Since October is getting ready for Halloween and our portraits are a little bit scary from time to time, we're gonna make our own scary portrait, just like this one. I have a couple samples to show you. And what makes these portraits scary is if you can see, the eyes follow you as you walk away. And if you can't see it that well on this one, that's okay. I'm gonna show you on one with bigger eyes. So I'm gonna tell you how to make these, and all of our portrait samples can be found below, and you can print them out and color them and follow the following steps. Or you can pick up a copy from the Biggs Museum and you can take it home with you to make your own scary portrait to decorate for Halloween. So, first things first, you want to pick your portrait and you want to color it. So I've colored this portrait for you. He has bigger eyes. Once you have your portrait colored, notice I didn't color in the eyes. That's because you are going to cut them out. Now, once you have the eyes cut out, you're going to take a thicker piece of paper. This is actually watercolor paper, but you can use cardboard, anything you want. And you're gonna draw eyes separately, and you're gonna draw them bigger than the normal eyes would be. Look how much bigger this is. Now, once you have that and you have your piece made, you're gonna fold it so you have little tabs to glue it onto the page. Now, you gotta make sure that it's 3D. You see how that doesn't sit flat? Because of that, when you line up the eyes, they're gonna move and follow you and be able to look around the room. So once you have colored your portrait, you have cut out the eyes, colored the eyes, you're going to tape them on, and then you get your own scary portrait where the eyes will follow you around the room as you walk. So it'll be super creepy. And I hope you have fun making these and come back to the Biggs Museum and see what inspired our work this month. And I hope you enjoy it. Once again, this is Miss Kristen at the Biggs Museum of American Art. I hope you have fun with this one and see you next month.